better.
No, it's good. It's good. Really comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you find you weren't sweating so much in it? Did you find it better than the face seal ones?
Yes.
You can actually see where the seal sat inside here. You
Yeah.
can see the difference from where the seal was to
Oh,
the
it's
bit
good when
that
you
was
take it off now,
protected.
no, you're like, whoa, what a noise and that, no, but
Okay.
it's cool air as well on it.
Yeah.
That might be good in the summertime, that, no, because
Great
it's...
in the summer, yeah.
Yeah.
And in the winter they do proper
Can you-
harvest underneath.
That's a peel, that's what I was going to ask you, it's a peel off. Yeah,
Exactly that. So the idea behind it is once you've finished, it prolongs the main
Crash
visor.
helmet. Yeah.
Exactly that.
Ah, it's good.
So today,
And the filter's renewable.
yeah,
Oh, well,
they
really
literally
last.
just twist off, and you can put a new set of filters on.
But how long would that last?
Really, that's the bit we're trying to find out.
Yeah.
All of this research work now, it's all going to be doing with the value or the volume of dust you're going to be working with, how much wind you've got blowing around you. Today, something like this helps because it blows a lot of the rubbish away.
Get it behind you and that, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's other filters on the front
Yeah.
that you can change.
Yeah, a set of
probably
pre-filters.
Yeah. And you can hear it droning away in the background, those flats. Because I was next to the engine, there was a nice car up, and like that, the engine I could hear almost fans running, but it's this, and eventually you tune in, because I don't really remember that though, but it's got a little engine in it itself, and it's driving the unit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. I don't know about playing music, but two-way radio and that, no? Because when you've got that on, you're doing this shit, that's you in your own private world, that, no?
Listen, you can have the Archers on there in the afternoon, you'd be quite happy.
Neat the dank. I was Steve right after this.
Oh yeah, there you go then.